If you searched how to buy shares of China Vanke Co Ltd, this short guide explains the process. China Vanke is a major Chinese property developer listed on the HKEX under ticker 2202, HK, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with the government ID, and you will need to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and enter the ticker 2202, HK, to locate China Vanke. Make sure you select the listing on HKEX so you pick the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is China Vanke. Check the market details and exchange symbol to ensure it is the correct HKEX listing. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description for convenience, and remember, this is educational content only.